Hello dear students, how all of you are? Hope you all be fine. Today I will start the topic the pathway of glucose of chapter respiration. So we will start this respiration. I have told you about there are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. And glucose, a 6 carbon molecule C6H12O6, which is its formula, goes varies down chemical reaction according to the condition in its pathway. Now we will see its steps. Now we will see further glucose, which is a 6 carbon molecule in cytoplasm. Notice student, in cytoplasm it is converted into broken down into pyruvate. Pyruvate, which is a 3 carbon molecule, plus energy is released. Now this pyruvate will undergo further chemical reaction and break down into components according to the situation. If there is a lack of oxygen, absence of oxygen, like in yeast, you have seen in fermentation process, it leads to the production of ethanol, which is alcohol, which is a 2 carbon molecule plus carbon dioxide, in which plus energy. This is a process of fermentation occur in cytoplasm only if there is an absence of oxygen or in an aerobic respiration. In yeast it happens. Ethanol is produced plus carbon dioxide with energy. Now, sometimes if we do more amount of work, we feel tired and we get cramps in our muscles. This is due to the production of lactic acid, which happens in lack of oxygen in our muscle cells. In our muscle cells, there is production of lactic acid, which is a 3 carbon molecule plus energy. But a very less amount of energy is released in these two types of process, which happens in absence of oxygen and in lack of oxygen. Now the process which leads to more amount of energy release is the anaerobic respiration, which happens in presence of oxygen. It happens in mitochondria. Anaerobic respiration takes place in cytoplasm. Aerobic respiration takes place in mitochondria. A very more amount of energy is released compared to these two process, and carbon dioxide plus water is released. Now you understand the pathway of glucose. Now today I will tell you this also, that how to write this answer in exam to get full marks. Because if we are telling about chemical constituents of some things, then we have to write chemical equations. This is also needed in your biology also. See, chemical equations you must write in your exam. C6H12O6, which is formula of glucose in presence of oxygen or in aerobic respiration. It goes to break down into 6 carbon molecules plus 12 hydrogen molecules plus 6 oxygen molecules plus energy. A very more amount of energy is released. See, you have read about the balancing of chemical formula in your earlier chapter in your junior classes. Here we have 6 carbon molecules and 12 hydrogen molecules and 6 oxygen molecules. So I have balanced it, 6 carbon, and I have H2O. I have written as 6 because 6 2 12 hydrogen molecules and 6 oxygen molecules. So balancing of chemical formula is also necessary. Now this very more amount of energy released, which is immediately used to produce ATP in aerobic respiration, which is known as energy currency of our cell. This ATP is very much needed for our cell, because our cell, it acts as a fuel for our cells to certain endothermic reactions and certain activities. Endothermic reactions, which occurs inside our cells. Now, what happens in anaerobic respiration? This glucose molecule in anaerobic respiration goes to the formation of ethanol, C2H5OH. See, this is the formula of ethanol plus carbon dioxide, which happens in yeast in the process fermentation of production of alcohol. You have read in your junior classes. Now, if there is a lack of oxygen due to heavy amount of work, we feel tired and get cramps in our muscle cells. This happens in our muscle cells. There is a formation of lactic acid, which is also 3 carbon molecules, C1, 2, 3, CH3, CHOH, COOH. It has also ethanol and acetic acid, both compound is here. So this is the pathway of your glucose. You must write this chemical equations also.